çok zor şeydir böylesine. Gerçekten sevene, değer bilene, almadan verene, bana dostum diyene, benimle ağlayan, benimle gülene, dertlerime ortak olmasını bilene, birisine aşık oldum birisine, rastlamak çok zor şeydir böylesine.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up, you made me feel as though I wasn't off.
Allah'ın emriyle, peygamberin emriyle kızımızı bizim torunlar istek.
Allah yazmışsa biz bir şey diyemezdik. İki tarafta inşallah hayırlı olur.
Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. 'Cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're grown old. Say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I'll forget that I'm